Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. This is a travel series to Southampton Washes, a mini getaway just after my birthday. This is the beautiful Airbnb that we had booked away from the main city and into the nature. It has all accessories and equipments that were required for a comfortable stay, including an oven, kettle, hob, and all the cooking pots and pans. This is the main lounge area with a TV unit, and to the left I have a gowning area or a dressing table, the bed, sliding door wardrobe, and the corridor walks straight into the washroom on the left, and just in the corridor there is the washing machine and the microwave on top. Overall, it was a very pleasant and comfortable stay. I'll put the link to this Airbnb in the description box below. So we ended the night with some drinks, good food, and a great peaceful sleep. This is the morning view just outside the Airbnb, and it looks so beautiful. It's so peaceful. You could hear the birds chirping in the morning, and overall it was a very silent and peaceful getaway. After having our breakfast, we headed out to explore the city and the area around, and first stop is actually a woodland park, but it looks exactly like a forest. It is the Holly Hill Woodland Park in Fareham. This is the perfect and popular destination for outdoor enthusiast families and nature lovers. The key features of this park are the scenic woodlands, walking trails, it is dog friendly, picnic areas, and lakes and waters. It is easily accessible by cars with parking at the entrance and also by public transport. Again, link to this park will be posted in the description box. This carved tree adds a very artistic and unique touch to the natural beauty of the park. It's also called a totem pole or tree sculpture. We then visited the famous Westway shopping center and shopped some beautifully scented woodwick candles. Then I enjoyed some really comforting hot chocolate because it was super windy and freezing outside. And since it was my birthday week, Zizi had sent me a special birthday offer to avail, which was one free garlic bread and one free pizza of choice. We then got back to our Airbnb and ended our second day in Southampton. The final day we headed straight to River Hamble Harbour, and this harbour hosts a lot of sailing events and regattas with boat races, attracting sailors and spectators from across the region. We then enjoyed our breakfast at the harbour's cafe and then headed to Winchester to visit the MARWELL Zoological Park. It is one of the UK's leading conservation zoo and offers a great date to families and wildlife enthusiasts. The zoo is divided into zones and themed exhibits that recreates the natural habitat of the animals. The first exhibit is the Penguin Cove, which have teeny tiny penguins just hopping around. This exhibit is for the beautiful pink flamingos and it's called the Flamingo Lagoon, recreating the wetland habitat. Let's head straight to the African savanna region. This habitat includes giraffe, zebras, white rhinos, and ostrich.
He is big, isn't he? Think he's checking us out.
Oh my god.
Yeah?
Wow.
Let's head to the Wild Explorer exhibit to see the mountain bongo. This is a large, attractive antelope with reddish-brown coat and white vertical stripes and impressive spiral horns, currently known to be an endangered species. Next, we have the oryx antelope, known for their white-brown markings and large horns. I forgot the name of these breeded species, so if anyone knows, then please leave your comments down below. Next up, we have the meerkat, known for its distinctive standing guard posture. This is the lemur loop, housing different lemur species and is designed to mimic the forest of Madagascar. These are the Przewalski's horse, which are the last existing ancestors of domestic horses. Moving on to the rainforest exhibit, we have this cat with a striking coat and is the clouded leopard. Can you spot the sleeping tiger? We then move to the tropical house depicting the tropical rainforest. It's a mix of lush vegetation, tall trees and flowing water features, which is highly dense and humid. Lastly, we explored the Roof of the World exhibit depicting the Himalayas and surrounding regions. And this cute little bear that you see on the tree is the red panda. And lastly, we saw the mighty snow leopard. At the exit, there is a small gift shop which had loads of soft toys of all the animals that are present in this. Whatever money is collected through this gift shop is then used for the management of the zoo. So I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and please do visit this place if you are in the UK. It is a must visit for kids, and just before the autumn and winter starts, I will highly recommend you to go with your kids and explore this Marwell Zoological Park. It is a really huge area. It literally took us 3.5 to 4 hours to get the entire area covered, and you will see such beautiful animals there. You can click pictures, they come so close to you that it's just a different experience altogether, and your kids are going to love and enjoy. Plus, there are so many spaces around where you can have a picnic. You can take your food along, have a picnic. Also, if you have not taken food, then there are cafes within the zoo where you can purchase your food, drinks, have a coffee, just have lunch, or enjoy the beautiful weather itself by just resting. So do visit this park and let me know your views and opinions in the comments below. And I have a very interesting good news to share. I have partnered with Temu. For those who are staying in the UK will know what Temu is. It is a site similar to Shein where you can order multiple items, whether it's home decor, fashion, clothing, kitchen items, etc. So it has all the A to Z items that you can think of at a very discounted rate. And not all products of Temu are cheap in quality. If you buy something of a moderate pricing, then yes, they do provide really good qualities, because I have personally purchased a lot of items, and most of the kitchen items that you see in my vlog are from Temu, and some are from Shein as well. So I have done a vlog. I will link that in the description box below, where I have shared some pieces that I had purchased from Shein and some from Temu. So the good news is that I have partnered with Temu, and if you click on the link that I give in the description box and download the Temu app to place your first order, then you will get a £100 coupon bundle that you can use to purchase all the goodies. Also, there's a specific limit. Based on that, you will get free gifts and also avail a flat 30% discount on all of your future orders. So this is mostly for the new users who have not ordered from Temu yet. Even though if you have ordered from Temu before and you want to avail the discount, just create a new account, download the app again through my referral link, and you can avail the discount for yourself. So enjoy this new discounted code that you get and start shopping with Temu. I will link it in the description box below. And I will see you all in my next video with another interesting recipe and vlog. Until then, take care and stay safe.